Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AMarkets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AMarkets is an award-winning social trading broker that was founded in 2007. This broker is regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines and is trusted by more than 1 million clients worldwide. By trading with AMarkets, you will have access to hundreds of tradable instruments, Autochartist, VPS servers, and a great selection of advanced tools and resources to help you improve your trading skills and strategies. This broker is a registered member of the Financial Commission Compensation Scheme and offers trading bonuses, commission-free trading, and multiple account types that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. AMarkets offers a wide range of forex pairs, metals, bonds, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, over 20 popular cryptocurrencies, and hundreds of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with AMarkets, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and choose an instrument from the Trading Instruments menu. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 3,000 when trading with AMarkets, which is significantly higher than what most other brokers offer. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. If you require assistance, you can reach the AMarkets customer support team via live chat, email, telephone, or Telegram. Customer support is available 24 hours a day on weekdays, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the customer support team anytime. If you already have an account with another broker, you will get a 20% deposit bonus for transferring your open positions to your AMarkets account. You can also double your deposit with the AMarkets deposit bonus and earn cashback rewards through the AMarkets loyalty program. If you have any friends or family who are interested in trading, you can get $10 for every friend you refer, and all newly invited clients will get a 15% trading bonus on every deposit over $100. Partners of AMarkets who are using standard or fixed accounts are eligible to receive 20% as a trading bonus when they transfer their affiliate reward to their trading account. AMarkets provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions of it by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the homepage. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the For Clients tab. There are 3 types of accounts you can open with AMarkets, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. The fixed and standard accounts are commission-free, and a minimum deposit of $100 will be required to open one of these accounts. The fixed account offers instant execution, but has the tightest spreads. If you are looking for lower spreads, you could try the standard account or the ECN account. The ECN account has the tightest spreads, starting from as low as 0 pips. However, the minimum deposit required to open this account is slightly higher, and at least $200 must be deposited to open this type of account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing using a demo account until you have a solid understanding of trading, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. As a client, you will be able to use a swap-free version of any of the 3 live accounts. However, this type of account is only available to clients of the Muslim faith. When you open a swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AMarkets offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Accounts Overview page. As an AMarkets client, you can use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. AMarkets also has a mobile application and is an excellent choice for copy trading. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts. And you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. The MetaTrader platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website. It is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading, as well as automated trading and hedging. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. MetaTrader 5 also has more timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. These platforms can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices, and can be downloaded for free directly from this broker's website or the official MetaTrader websites. You can also use the AMarkets mobile application to conveniently manage your trading accounts and trade directly from your phone. This mobile application is beginner-friendly and has mostly positive feedback from over 500,000 users. It can be downloaded for free from either Google Play or the Apple App Store. To learn more about the features of these platforms, hover your cursor over the Trading tab for a full list of features and direct download links. Creating an account with AMarkets will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is quick and easy. Firstly, launch the AMarkets homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, verify your account and email address, and then log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account is set up, verified and approved, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with MetaTrader 4. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with AMarkets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. As a trader or an investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. AMarkets provides updated Forex news, trading ideas, daily analytics, and much more. So we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. This broker also provides an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, economic activities, and GDP levels, as well as changes in monetary policies and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24/7 from any browser. The benefit of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server. So you will never have to worry about overloaded servers or issues with backups. As a client, you will also get access to over 100 free trading robots with detailed statistics on their performance. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace, while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you're not using any real money. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received many awards for their services. The awards a broker receives are a good indication of what the broker's strengths are. AMarkets have received awards for being one of the best brokers for trading cryptocurrencies, for having one of the best affiliate and introducing broker programs, and for offering the best trading conditions and order execution. Overall, AMarkets offers many promotions and a great selection of tradable instruments. This broker has won dozens of awards over the years and is an excellent choice for social traders. With AMarkets, you'll get discounted trading fees, premium quality research material and analytics, as well as flexible accounts that are suitable for all styles of trading. A minimum deposit of at least $100 is required to open an account with this broker. Depending on the account you choose, you can easily open an account in a few easy steps. The minimum deposits required may seem high depending on the exchange rates. However, you can use a free demo account in the meantime if it is your first time trading, which will give you plenty of time to save up some money to open a live account. AMarkets offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account with AMarkets today. However, remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly, and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We would always highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of AMarkets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.